Top 8 Super Teas to Stop Proteinuria Quickly and Heal Kidney Fast. Are you constantly worrying about your kidney health? What if I told you that the solution could be as simple and soothing as drinking a cup of tea? Today, we're exploring the top 8 super teas that not only promise to halt proteinuria, a condition where excess proteins are excreted in your urine, but also revitalize your kidney health quickly. Welcome back to Health Tips. In this episode, we're diving into a list of incredible teas that could be your new secret weapon for kidney health, and you'll definitely want to stick around for number 1. It's a popular favorite that may surprise you with its benefits. 8. Hibiscus tea. Kicking off our list at number 8 is hibiscus tea. Not only is it admired for its deep red color and a tangy taste that can perk up your senses, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress. For those with kidney issues, hibiscus tea offers a gentle boost in kidney filtration, helping to clear excess fluids and even supporting lower blood pressure levels, which is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Regular consumption can help manage blood pressure, a significant factor in preventing kidney damage. 7. Nettle tea. At number 7, we find nettle teas. This might not be the first tea you think of for health benefits, but it's truly a gem for kidney support. Nettle leaves are known for their natural diuretic properties, enhancing kidney function and increasing urine production. This helps cleanse the kidneys by flushing out waste and excess protein, thus easing the symptoms of proteinuria. Additionally, nettles are rich in nutrients like iron and vitamin C, which aid in boosting the immune system and improving overall health. It's a robust tea that offers protective benefits against further kidney stress and damage. 6. Dandelion. Number 6 brings us to dandelion. Dandelion tea, often dismissed as just a common weed, is in fact a treasure trove of health benefits, especially for those suffering from kidney ailments. Dandelion roots and leaves act as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine output and kidney cleanse. This is particularly beneficial in cases of proteinuria, where the kidneys need to eliminate excess proteins efficiently. Moreover, dandelions are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and enhance filtration functions. It's a simple, natural way to assist your kidney health daily. 5. Ginger tea. At number 5, we have the invigorating ginger tea. Ginger, a root known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, offers more than just a spicy flavor. It's particularly effective in soothing inflammation, a common issue for those with chronic kidney conditions. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps to protect kidney function and prevent further damage. Additionally, ginger aids in digestion and can help alleviate nausea, which is often a side effect of kidney-related issues. It also improves blood circulation, ensuring that your kidneys receive ample oxygen and nutrients necessary for healthy function. 4. Turmeric tea. Number 4 is the luminous turmeric tea. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is celebrated for its profound anti-inflammatory effects, which are vital in treating and managing chronic kidney disease. Curcumin helps to lower inflammatory markers in the body, which is beneficial not just for the kidneys, but for overall health. Moreover, turmeric has been shown to reduce the risk of infections, which can be particularly harmful for those with compromised kidney function. Regular consumption of turmeric tea may also aid in reducing the formation of kidney stones, making it an excellent choice for long-term kidney care. 3. Chamomile tea. Taking the third spot on our list is chamomile tea. This gentle tea is widely appreciated for its calming effects, making it a favorite for bedtime routines. But chamomile's benefits extend far beyond just relaxation. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, thus supporting their ability to filter and detoxify the body. Chamomile is also helpful in managing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney disease progression, particularly in diabetic patients. Its mild diuretic properties help increase urine flow, helping the kidneys flush out toxins more effectively, which is essential for reducing proteinuria. 2. Cranberry tea. Coming in at number 2 is cranberry tea. Cranberries are best known for their role in preventing urinary tract infections (UTIs), but their benefits for kidney health are equally impressive. Cranberry tea contains unique compounds called prothocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract. This is crucial not only for preventing infections, but also for helping manage kidney function by reducing the bacterial load the kidneys must deal with. Additionally, cranberry tea has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce kidney tissue inflammation. It's also a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine output, which helps clear the kidneys of excess sodium, urea, and toxins. This makes it a valuable drink for those looking to support their kidney health. 1. Green tea. And now, the star of our show and number 1 on our list, green tea. This tea is celebrated worldwide not only for its delightful flavor, but also for its extensive health benefits, particularly in kidney health. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants known as catechins, which have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. These qualities are essential in protecting the kidneys from the oxidative stress associated with proteinuria and other kidney diseases. Regular consumption of green tea can also improve the efficiency of kidney function by enhancing the filtration rates and reducing the accumulation of harmful substances in the kidneys. Moreover, studies suggest that green tea may help reduce the formation of kidney stones by preventing crystal deposition in the kidneys, offering a protective effect that's hard to match. For those concerned about kidney health, incorporating green tea into your daily routine could be a game changer. And that concludes our exploration of the top 8 super teas that can significantly enhance kidney health and help combat proteinuria. We sincerely hope this list inspires you to incorporate some of these beneficial teas into your daily routine and experience their wonderful health advantages for yourself. Remember, sometimes the smallest changes, like adding a simple cup of tea to your diet, can have profound impacts on your overall health and well-being. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, please don't hesitate to hit that like button and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these healthy tea options. Your support means the world to us and helps spread the word about natural health remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Tips for more insightful health tips and strategies. We're here to help you live a healthier, happier life, one video at a time. Stay healthy, stay positive, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.